everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a cushion. We're going to be using this material and this material. So hopefully it will go well. We've also got some wadding just over there as well we're going to use to stuff it out with. So before we get started, please hit the like, subscribe, click the bell button for notifications, and I'll leave a clickable I button here that will take you to the link for the Instagram page, our Facebook page. Go check them out. So today we're going to be using this sewing machine, which is the one that my mum and dad got me. It's the cheaper version of the two that I've got, but nevertheless it still does exactly what you need it to do. So if you look here, these are all the different stitches. So we've got obviously your straight stitch, your zigzags, even your buttonholes as well. So that's the machine we're going to be using. So in a second we will start sewing. Okay everyone, we're quite lucky with this material because it is exactly the right length and size. It's already folded in half, so we're just going to sew along that seam, along the other side seam, and then along this seam here. So I'll see you in a minute. So now that I'm sewing this bit of material together, so then I can create the pocket for the cushion. Okay guys, we now have the pocket pinned on, like this. So that's going to be really good. So we've got the top here, so this cushion's working out really well. So I'm just going to stitch this, we'll stuff it with some wadding, sew this end bit, and then we'll see the end result. Okay guys, so we've got the pocket sewn on. We now got to stuff it with that wadding. This is going to be fun. Okay guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, nice and puffed up. Got a little pocket. I had to self-stitch half of that top bit because, as you can see, it's quite puffy because I put a lot of wadding in. But never mind, it will do. So then guys, that's how you make a cushion. Very spontaneous. Yeah, I think it was a success, to be honest. Anyway, if you liked it and enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, click the notification bell to remember when it comes up, and please go check out the other videos on my channel. There's plenty of them and there's more to come.